Welcome to my YouTube channel. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Ing Adinasari. Okay, here I want to tell about when and where I studied English. I am studied English from the 5th grade of elementary school until now, and I studied English uh, at Karyatani Labuan Maringge, Jelambung, Indonesia. Okay, there I was taught the basic of vocabulary, such the name of fruits and so on. The interesting is when we learn how to pronounce vocabulary correctly and how a teacher can take student attention when teaching with the method he used. Namely, by memorizing vocabulary every day and everywhere you can memorize vocabulary, uh, and when you speak English when confident your pronunciation, often listen to music and English books, looking for friends with whom you can communication using English in daily activity. The difficult is in pronunciation because the lack understanding and the meaning of vocabulary and the lack of friends to practice speak English in everyday activity. This thing make we have to keep practice using English and understand English well and correctly. The advantages are being able to speak a language other than Indonesia, being able to communication with a friends well and correctly. The problem experience were a lack memorizing vocabulary in everyday life, not really understanding the meaning of vocabulary, limited time to study, so this made me have to learn to understand English itself. Yes, English is the most important language in the world. And this case English, an international language that is used almost all over the world to communication with other people from different countries who do not use our country's national language. Yes, because a young age children can and learn English language well because they are sharp, easy, and easier to know. And when you are not longer young, focus and the ability to grasp, listen are no longer crucial. The right time for the children to learn English is when the children uh, 4 until 5 years old, and this case where children can still uh, have very strong and sharp memory second, so then that when we learn or start to know English, these years can help children be able to English well and correctly. Namely, the difficult for understanding the meaning of native language vocabulary, because the vocabulary is much and many, how to pronounce it, because when we talk the pronouns we must understand the vocabulary. In fundamental difference between basic language and standard language, the many vague words in Indonesia and Indonesia being mixed with religion language. This make the native language difficult for understand, for learn, for friends to learn our language. Okay, maybe in a year, if I some mistake, I apologize to you all. And the last from me, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys. Thank you for watching.